Hey everyone, my name is Brittany from Tackle It with Brit here on YouTube, and today I am here with HomeGlow, and I am going to be sharing 5 cleaning tips that professional cleaners swear by. Do you guys ever wonder how professional cleaners make homes look so effortlessly spotless? Well, today is your lucky day because I am bringing you 5 top-notch tips that the pros use to turn chaos into calm. Let's dive in. Starting off with tip number 1, this is the golden rule, and it is don't skip the small stuff. I'm talking about those tiny, often forgotten areas like toothbrush holders, soap dispensers, doorknobs, light switches, remote controls. It's the little things that can truly make each space feel clean. Plus, they are germ hotspots. So make sure to give them a little TLC with a quick wipe down that will help both cleanliness and be beneficial for your health. Let me show you how a simple wipe can definitely make these spots shine. To call tip number 2 morning magic. Start each day with a win by taking only 10 minutes each morning to tidy up. You can do simple things like making your bed, clearing off countertops, and giving each space just a little fluff. It truly is amazing how these small actions can set a positive tone for your entire day. And for me, coming home to a tidy space is absolutely priceless. Let me go ahead and show you my morning routine to get you inspired. This next tip number 3, is definitely a game changer, and it is do simple tasks frequently. Are the dishes piling up in the sink? Take those few moments, clean them now rather than doing them later. Anything on the kitchen countertops that aren't supposed to be there, quickly put them away. Do you spot some dust? Give it a quick wipe. These bite-sized cleaning moments prevent the overwhelm of a massive cleanup. I like to think of this as keeping the tide of chaos at bay, making your cleaning routine more like a gentle wave. Small steps for cleaner spaces. Let's go ahead and dive into tip number 4, and this is keep cleaning staples on hand. Every cleaner needs their trusty sidekicks. I'm talking about an all-purpose cleaner, baking soda, dish soap, vinegar, the works. These versatile wonders can tackle almost any job in your home. Let me show you some affordable, effective, and eco-friendly mixes that are sure to tackle a multitude of messes. Last but not least, this is tip number 5, and I like to call this Mighty Microfiber. We are going to be swapping out those paper towels for microfiber cloths. They are not just budget friendly, but also a dream for the environment and incredibly effective at picking up dirt and dust. And another great benefit is they are reusable. If they're too dirty, pop them in the wash and then they are good to go for another round of cleaning. Want help maintaining a tidy home? You can easily book a top-rated cleaner on HomeAglow in your area. Try your first cleaning for only $19. If you enjoyed today's video and would like more tips like these, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you again soon. Bye!